This is the Klarus CL2 lantern, and I've been testing it as a potential addition to my van build. It's packed with tons of features which make it a really versatile tool, whether that's for everyday use, camping, or on the side of the road. Out of the box, it comes with a neat pull string fabric bag with a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a USB-C to lightning adapter, and a manual. It's made of grey ABS plastic with rubber buttons, weighs 420 grams, and feels pretty solid. The most noticeable feature, which differentiates it immediately from other lanterns, is the 4 90-degree fold-down light panels. This enables you to have both a handheld torch and, thanks to the handy rubber loop, a hanging lantern which shines its light downwards. Add a carabiner or a bit of rope to the end and you can hang it from almost anything. So let's get started going through the lighting modes with some help from my partner Emma and a local beach at dusk. The CL2 has 2 lots of lighting modes. For the first set, simply press the power button once and it will illuminate with a warm coloured 30 lumens. Press it again for mid brightness at 150 lumens and press it a third time for the brightest setting at 750 lumens. Finally, press it a 4th time and the brightness remains at 750 lumens, but it turns to a whiter, colder light. Pressing it once more will turn the lantern off. For the second lighting mode, long hold the power button and a flashlight will turn on from the other end of the lantern. Press it again for a red flashing light and press it a third time for a white flashing SOS light. Again, pressing it once more will turn it off. Now, I've had torches and head torches in the past with plenty of different settings, and it's annoying cycling through all the modes to turn the things off. But on the CL2, if you don't press the power button for more than 3 seconds, when you next press it, it will turn off, instead of going through the lighting cycles, which I think is a pretty neat feature. So they're the lighting modes, but there's still plenty more features to talk about. To start, it's IPX5 rated, meaning it's protected from sustained low pressure water such as rain, and also has a handy tripod mount which enables the light to project over a wider distance, or you could even use it as a light to film with. But perhaps its most useful other feature is its large 10,400 mAh battery, which not only powers the torch for long periods, but can also be used as a power bank to charge devices via a USB-A port, which would fully charge an iPhone 13, for example, about 3 times. And yes, the torch itself works while you charge. When using the lantern for light, according to the product information, the battery will last approximately 60 hours on the lowest setting, 12 hours on the middle setting, and 4 hours 45 minutes on the highest settings for both the warm and cold lights. The flashlight at the other end of the lantern will last about 18 hours. I tested these and found them to be pretty accurate timings. So that's my rundown on the Klarus CL2 lantern. I've been very impressed with it, and it's definitely earned a space in my van conversion, fitting very nicely in my wheel arch storage box. I can see it being handy in all sorts of situations, from breakdowns to power cuts, from hanging in our driveway awning to keeping phones topped up while we're out and about. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, you can pick one up for around £55, and I've got an affiliate link below which helps support this channel. For full disclosure, Klarus provided the lantern for me to test but didn't sponsor this video, and the thoughts and opinions are all my own. I hope you enjoyed this video as I continue to kit out my van conversion. Don't forget to check out mine and Emma's adventures on Instagram at yogi.the.van. Follow there and subscribe here on YouTube if you haven't already, and thanks for watching.